Hello and welcome back. In our last tutorial, we were learning about how to create a content management service. Basically, we got as far as to list our files in our directory and then delete our files. Now we're going to learn how to edit our files. Let's create a file called edit.php. Let's open this up. Okay, we're going to use file equals underscore get file. We're going to send the file location to this file, and then this file or edit will open up the file and we can start editing it. First, we check that if the file exists. There we go. So if it does not exist, then we go back to our index. Okay. And let's also chmod our file to 07 or 55. And we suppress the error warning or warnings on this because we do not really care if it fails, because if it fails, then we still might be able to open it up and read it. Okay, and also we're gonna put our code, since edit is one little. Actually, never mind about that. We now need to read our file, so we do that with fopen. And then we use R for read. And let's make sure this is right. Wait, no, it's not. Then at the end we close our fopen with fclose fp. There we go. Now we make our little form. Method equals post. Action equals server php underscore self. There we go. And I already pre-wrote some stuff because I'm not going to go through writing the form because it'll take forever. There we go. Now basically a text area is a text box, but whatever you put in between the tags will show up. In this case we use PHP to echo out our file contents, which we got, so that you can see what the file contains. Now we need to do something when our form is posted here, and we want to do something before we open up our file. So we'll put it right under our chmod. We'll do if underscore post save file from our button. And we need to use fopen again to write to our file. Where were we? Just add a pause for a moment. So now we fopen our file with the write permissions. And if we successfully opened it, then we can write it, else we can display an error. There was an error saving our file. There we go. Okay, so now we use fwrite to write to our file using fp and our save content. And then we fclose. fp. Then we also die again to so then we don't show our form again. File saved. Okay, let's make sure this is running. And I'm pretty sure there's nothing in foobar. Save. Seems to be an error. Let's check it. Now let's try this again. Perfect, it works now. And that is basically all. Thanks for watching. That will be the end of our tutorial. And of course, this is not really complete, but of course, that is basically the basics of a content management system. So that is all. Of course, you will have to end the links at our end here to make them return. Other than that, you are good to go. Thanks for watching.